Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, November 1st, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on the pound yen, I still think it's so extremely clear, especially looking at other yen pairs, that this is a 1, 2, 3. This is likely in a wave 4 right now, which will probably make 3 waves down before it goes up and makes that wave 5. So let's take a look at it on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still think this is very clearly an A. I think we're in a wave B right now, which the wave B doesn't necessarily have to be over. I mean, this could keep on going up pretty easily. And eventually, I think it does need to go down and make a wave C, but it doesn't have to go down now. And you got to keep in mind this is the weekly time frame, which means this will take months to play out. So going down to the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, we did have a break of structure, but it looks like it's trying to reject structure, so we have to be a little bit cautious. This could be a real break of structure telling us that the wave B is over, and this move up could make a lower high and just start a new downtrend. But at the exact same time, a rejection of structure can sometimes tell us that the trend is still up and that it might just continue up. So we have to be very, very cautious, but we also have to pay attention because if that move up does make a lower high, we definitely should be trying to get short if we can. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, like I said, it definitely did break structure, and it definitely did hold below structure. So it does kind of look like a valid break. So if it is a valid break, then this move up would have to be a correction to this move down, and they would have to give us like 3 waves up and a nice engulfing move to the downside as confirmation that the trend is back down. So these break of structure pullback entries are what I like to call the bread and butter trades. But we have to be careful because this could possibly continue the uptrend since on the daily it kind of looks like a rejection of structure, not a break of structure. So anyways, taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame for now, I only have my Fibonacci on this last wave down because this move up possibly could be a correction to just this last wave down. So if we see like 3 waves up to any one of these Fibonacci levels and then a nice engulfing move to the downside, I would definitely take it as a sorting opportunity. But like I said, we have to be a little bit careful because the daily time frame looks like a rejection of structure. So be very, very careful. If you do not see 3 waves up and a nice impulsive move down at a fib level, then I would probably actually look for pullback entries to go long. And while you do that, if it just blows past all these fib levels and keeps going up, then that's good news for you if you're looking for longs. But at the same time, while you're looking for longs, if it goes up to a fib level and makes a nice engulfing move down, get out of your longs, reverse your position, and go short, potentially for the continuation of a big wave C of wave 4 on the much, much higher time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked out here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.